Hey folks, Tracy here. It's Christmas Day as I'm filming, and I hope you all are having or had a great Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Hanukkah, or whatever celebration that you've been participating in for the last couple weeks. Happy solstice, return of the sun. We are now entering into ever-lengthening days of sunshine again, which is always a great time of year, in my opinion. So I was going to put up a training video like last week, and it never happened. Trying again for the second time, and now I've got a whole new bunch of footage of our training from today as opposed to last week. So today I was supposed to be doing all chin-ups, and I accidentally had the grips the wrong way and did pull-ups. So I actually did 6 pull-ups and then another set of 3 chin-ups, and then everything else that you're seeing. By separating the upper and the lower body, we're able to add more exercises to each without feeling just completely burnt out trying to train fasted after 14 or more hours of not eating and doing over an hour and a half worth of training, which is just, for me personally, a little too much. So today is the upper body. When I go to edit, I'll see if it fits to just show you what we're doing for the lower body, or I'll keep it separate. And anyway, lately I've just been so focused because I wanted to revise the macrobiotic action plan, which I did republish, but I revised it a little more. I updated the cover because I want it to match the companion recipe book, which I'd hoped to have out before Christmas, but it's not quite ready. I'm proofing it now, but the macrobiotic action plan was revised, including the preface, and I just believe there's a lot of really great content in that book, and it's not just about what to eat or what not to eat. There's so much more to it. There's many layers of how to understand the workings of the mind and how our ego gets in the way, the afflictions or impediments of the mind, and different little guided meditation strategies to help you realize your dreams, overcome obstacles. Lots of tidbits of information in there, including some quotes from the Essene Gospel of Peace and teachings of Jesus that have been hidden, or at least never made it into the Bible, canonized Bible. So I hope that you'll check that out and let me know what you think about it. I'll leave the link down below, and in the meantime, I hope you are all going to continue to enjoy the remainder of this year, and wishing everybody a peaceful, healthy, happy, joyous New Year. May we all come together in unity. And by the way, in the last video, I mentioned the monks walk for peace, and I want to mention it again. If you haven't been watching, the monks from several different countries have been walking from, I think, Fort Worth, Texas, up to Washington, D.C., and right now they're about halfway. It's about a 120-day walk, and they have their awesome, cute little Aloka dog with them. There's been videos that they've been putting up daily from this walk, and they're expected in February. I don't remember the date, in Washington, D.C. As of the other day, they were in Alabama. I know they will be going up through North Carolina and I think parts of Tennessee and then on up. So if you haven't been watching it, I'm going to link 1 or 2 videos at the end. I highly recommend it. Some of those videos just bring me to tears, and I believe the message that they have is so uplifting and valuable. That basically, if we want to see peace in the world, it starts within. We have to learn how to find peace within our own, the battleground within our own minds, and try to focus on stopping pointing the finger at others and blaming others for everything going on in the world, although I know it's easy to do. But we all have the propensity for the light and the dark, and we want to choose the light, and we want to choose peace, and we want to choose coming from a place of love in our hearts. And I hope that expands in this coming year. So wishing you all many blessings, and I will see you soon after this, probably be in the new year. Take care. way. I think.
Come on, Chris. Come on, Draco.
Come on, Draco. Good boy.
Good boy.